1 USDT is equal to 100 Naira. You heard right. You can now buy 1 USDT for just 100 Naira on Bitget. Stay with me, let me show you how to claim it before it's gone. Bitget just launched the One Fiat campaign. If you've never used Bitget P2P before, this promo is for you. So let's do this. Here's how to get 1 USDT for just 100 Naira. No gimmicks, let's go. Step 1, open your Bitget account. Make sure your account is verified. And if you are not verified yet, no worries. Here's a quick KYC guide. In app, add funds, set your currency to Naira, then tap P2P trading. If you're eligible, you see 1 USDT is equal to 100 Naira add right there. Tap buy and it's that simple. Then pay just 100 Naira to the listed merchant's payment method. Bank and Momo are supported. Once payment is confirmed, your USDT is going to be released to you. No fees, no tricks, just fast crypto for less. This is limited for 1 per user and it's not going to last long. It's fast, it's real, and it's only for new users on Bitget P2P. Don't wait and wish you had. Get your 1 USDT for just 100 Naira on Bitget now. And as always, trade smarter with Bitget.